Well, one of the key challenges we had was finding good talent in the local marketplace. We're a small startup at the time, and one of my friends was also working at another startup, had been working with Talentica, and recommended that we check them out. They said they had great success with them, and so we rolled the dice and gave them a try. I think the key thing is that the talent itself is full of some of the best from that marketplace, and so very intelligent interactions. A lot of innovation is brought to the table when we're trying to problem solve or create new features and functionality or meet a particular customer's needs. So I feel very confident in the people that I'm working with. I know that while I may bring new ideas that they're going to be challenged, they may and most likely will be improved upon. They'll introduce things that I'm not thinking about. So it's really been a good match of really the talent that they bring to the table along with the customer and product knowledge that we have. Yeah, we're faced with challenging technology problems on a weekly basis. So that's one of the more exciting things in working with Talentica is that they have multiple layers of resources that are available beyond your team, let alone your team being talented. They can reach out to specialists. There are innovation groups. There's a user interface group. And then just other groups that Talentica is, and companies that Talentica is working with that maybe have run across some of these technology challenges that we come up against all the time. One of which is video inside of email. So it was an idea that's never been done before. We brought the challenge to Talentica. There were a number of difficult challenges, took about a year or so to ultimately smooth them all out. And it was a combination of sort of brainstorming and ideas and testing from our side, and then also the Talentica team reaching out to others within their organization to come up with a kind of a true breakthrough in our space. We're the only providers of this technology, so it's something that we're proud of and could only have been possible with our relationship with Talentica. Yeah, I mean, I think the best word I can come up with is family. I mean, it's one thing to have a business relationship and you're working on challenging technology ideas on a daily basis. But what I've enjoyed most is the relationship with the team themselves. Just as a culture, they're just some of the sweetest people that I've ever worked with. They care about me, they care about others in the company. There's a great camaraderie, a desire to feel like they're a part of the team, and then it's returned by our company as well, that we feel like we know them all when they're getting married or have children or things of that sort. So that's really why I think I chose the word. I thought about it as it was asked, and I think that's really an exact description of why our working relationship with Talentica has been so successful. Yeah, like I said before about Talentica being recommended to me, those same benefits are true in what I would share with anybody else. I think the things that I learned in working with Talentica beyond what was recommended to me is how customizable the relationship can be. We have our own uniques and complexities, and clients that are quite demanding. And we have our own unique ways that we like to work and convey information, putting together product plans or status updates, things of that sort. And I think what was really pleasant and what I would recommend to a friend and tell them that they're going to get is that Talentica is totally willing to adapt the team, the communications methods, and the resources necessary that fit you. I think that's why we've been with them for so long and almost virtually since the beginning of when our company was founded, is because it just fits and it just works perfectly. I think quality is probably one of the key things that has been a godsend, frankly, because we've had our own staff and developers on our side of the ocean, if you will, and it's kind of hit and miss. But what I do know is that every time I get a new individual added to the team, quality is not only inherent in their own skill set, but the team itself takes great pride in the quality. It's maybe even a bit of a fear factor to deliver something that is not of high quality before we can see it. So that I really appreciate, that whole attention to detail, testing and thinking about environments and situations that we didn't think through. We've added our own quality assurance component to our team that has developed automated testing over time and has really sped the delivery of the product to market without fear that many of the complex functions in our applications maybe haven't been tested. So I'd say the quality of what's delivered has been really impressive. So for the future, our company is actually embarking on a new marketplace. It's using our email technology to let businesses communicate with employees, to build engagement and employee satisfaction. They're really emerging, fast-growing market. So to that end, we're going to see hundreds of new users of our application. So the scalability will be a big challenge, and we're looking to Talentica, and they're already working on our application so that it can scale quickly in the cloud. And second is in the area of privacy and security. Once we're working with sensitive data, including employee information, abiding by laws, by specific company policies in the areas of data encryption, all of these technologies that are not as critical in the B2C world to date really come to the forefront. And Talentica, we're looking to be our big partner there in helping us create a successful solution in that space.